it like this, I look like some kind of ghost. What do you think? So, headed to Louisville today. It's only a mere 266 miles to Louisville. So, there's that. Should be there around, the map is saying 10 minutes to 9, but I lose an hour from Central to Eastern time, so I bet on 10 o'clock. And then I'm going to head over to Pittsburgh. So that means driving through Cincinnati, through Columbus. I don't know how far I'll make it today. I'm assuming I can get to Cincinnati a minimum today. I'm hoping Columbus. Hotels in Columbus are cheaper than most places. I've had good luck in Columbus with hotels. And then Pittsburgh, hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday in Pittsburgh, and then head up towards and out top of Pittsburgh towards Cleveland, and that'll be Thursday, part of Friday, and then at some point Friday deciding to hang it all up and drive home Friday night, just in time to get up and go to yard sales Saturday morning. Hey, I'm gonna do some yard sales Friday, so y'all are just gonna have to listen to the one more time, because I'll film yard sales wherever I'm at. I'll be in Ohio somewhere, but yard sales. So that's the plans. A lot of this carrying on I do is just winging it. Where am I gonna stay tonight? I don't know yet. I'll talk to Joni, the wife, at 4 or 5 o'clock, and she'll say, "So where are you staying?" I'm like, "I don't know. I don't have a hotel yet." It'll be 5, 6 o'clock before I narrow down how far I'm gonna get. Because I used to book out hotels in advance and try to plan how far I'm gonna get and guess, and I ended up either getting to a hotel way too early or way too late. I never was exact in the science of planning how far I was gonna get. So so in order to stop that, I just wait as late as possible. It's a Monday night. Contrary to popular belief, there are plenty of hotels, unless you come up on some strange event or something. But man, it's Monday. I would think you would have hotel issues on the weekends, not on Monday. Sundays, I should have traveled yesterday, but I just had too much to get done. I was trying to clean up the garage / office. I think it looks worse now. I'm not the world's worst at trying to clean up. Put a bunch of stuff in the attic. Just trying to bring stuff out of the house. I'm out of one room. I'm halfway out of another room now. Stuff's just everywhere. I needed some more tubs, but I didn't feel like going to get them. I wanted to do some listing, didn't get it done because I was tired. So I've got, and then of course when you're tired, you can't go to sleep, so I didn't go to bed till, I actually went to bed early, but I didn't fall asleep till after midnight. When you set your alarm and it says 2 hours and 50 minutes, that's never a good thing. So I had a bunch of Amazon stuff already. So instead of starting an order, I got a box back there full of stuff already. So I will ship it out with the stuff I find today. I don't know if I'll probably be so tired tonight that I'll just go in the hotel and crash. And then the show's at 8. I get an extra hour of sleep for the Eastern time zone. So I'll get up early, and by the time the show starts, I'll have the order ready to go. So after the show, I'll just stop by UPS and then drive towards Pittsburgh. So I'll find some interesting stuff. There's some interesting sites. I generally end up at the rest area on the Kentucky-Tennessee line. It's got a lot of horse memorabilia. It's kind of interesting. That's about as far as my bladder will take me. I've also got to stop at a gas station because it's 263 miles and I got 147 miles left. Those two do not compute. So, see you in a little while y'all are sleeping. Cruising. Okay, so it's mid-afternoon. I'm at a Goodwill, first Goodwill of the trip. This Trivial Pursuit, totally 80s, brand new, $3. Believe it or not, that Trivial Pursuit game is worth $55 on Amazon. New, brand new Yahtzee for $2. That particular one is $14 on Amazon. Let's see. American, if I turn right side up, American Flyers, an old movie with Kevin Costner in it from 2002. New seal with the Warner Brothers security thing on it, $37. It was 2 or 3. I'm sorry, no, yeah, 3. And this is a $4, the old Dymo. That joker is selling for $25 on Amazon. Goodwill, appreciate it. Oh, wait a minute, forgot one. And this thing's got a low rank. It is a camera bag. It's a Handycam camera bag, $4. Selling for $25. It's got a rank of like 70. Right on, Goodwill. So I'm done sourcing for the day. It is 7:31 in the p.m. I'm in the Eastern Standard Time zone now. Did all the sourcing in Louisville, Kentucky, and then right across the river in the whatever Clark County, Indiana, whatever that little town is. I had 24 on the map. Ended up stopping at 36 places. That's why I'm so far behind. So yeah, you saw the Goodwill haul. That was the only Goodwill of the day. It's the only one I saw. I guess I'll stick them on the map tomorrow just because I can't remember how. I should be in between the Pennsylvania line and Pittsburgh in that area tomorrow, and then working all through Pittsburgh, and then heading out. I'll probably be in Pittsburgh 2 days, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday head towards Cleveland. I'll do as many as I can there Thursday and from Friday lunch, and then start driving back because that's about 10 hours from there. So if I leave at 2, get home at between 11 and 12 because I get an hour back. I'm going back into the Central Time Zone. So that's the plan as of right now. Plans are always subject to change, areas, directions, whatever. But not a bad day, not a great day, not a bad day. I've had worse. I've had really a lot better. But just the way it goes. Just needed to be out here generating some positive cash flow for the Amazon account, the eBay account. I have sold more today on eBay with a vacation mode on and a 5-day handling than I did yesterday. It makes no sense, but it's just the way the cookie crumbles. Right. Just that's all you can do is just keep going. I believe it was Churchill, one of those famous saying, when you're going through hell, keep going. And at some point you reach the other side. Tough times refine you.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
That's rude. Refine you and shape you. Don't let a tough time make you a quitter. That's the time to buckle down and really get serious. So there'll probably be some more video. I got some in Louisville downtown a little bit, and some beautiful churches in Louisville downtown, and then there's a couple of big bridges, and I should get Red Stadium as I go into Cincinnati. But I'm just kind of hitting the bottom of Cincinnati. Coming in on, what is this? I'm on this is 71, so 71 kind of skirts off, run off the downtown, and it goes out the east and straight to Columbus. So that's where we're doing. My hotel is in Pickerington. It's the Best Western Plus. It's on the other side of Columbus. So yeah. Ooh, there's some cool some Army Humvees. 3 of them on a semi flatbed. So enjoy the rest of the views, and I'm not shipping tonight, so I won't be able to tell you any totals of how good or bad it was. I'll ship tomorrow night, and because I'll quit earlier tomorrow night. You know, with only having 2.5, 3 hours sleep, I've been going at this quite a while, and I'm going to be at the hotel until 9:45. I still have, let's see, let's ask the map. The map says I have 148 more miles to go. 9:44 p.m. is when I'll get there. It'll be a little later because I don't think I can drive the next 148 miles without stopping for the restroom at a rest area. So there's that. Thanks for watching. Do the YouTube stuff. After you see some more scenery of Cincinnati, I'll probably come back on because who else do I have to talk to? Appreciate you guys listening. Alright, here's a room tour. It's hard to do a room tour from this way. We've got a TV, a little, whatever that is, a desk. This is the front room. I believe this is the Best Western, but it was supposed to be a plus. But it is a suite. So there's a long counter with a bunch of cabinets. That's a lot of wasted space. Refrigerator, microwave, normal hotel bathroom, just a tub and a shower. Help save Mother Earth. Hair dryer. That's what every bald man needs, is a hair dryer in the tub in the bathroom. And then king size bed, lights, and then a TV for the bed, and a closet. Pretty much a basic room. I'm in Pinkerton, Ohio, which is the eastern side of Columbus on I-70 heading towards Wheeling, West Virginia, 7170. I don't know what I'm on. But this will end the video. There were some scenes and from how flat it got, you know, leaving Cincinnati. It's almost immediate. I mean, you come down this big hill on the Kentucky side, a big gradient, and then in the Cincinnati, and right outside of Cincinnati, it gets flat. So pretty cool. And it doesn't last long because it's really hilly around Pittsburgh. I'll be in the hills again tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed day one. Sorry there's no results. You just get to see some travel footage.